In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Surfshark not connecting. If your VPN gets stuck on connecting or drops right away, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. We're going to focus on two reliable actions, restarting the app and changing the server. These are quick, low-risk steps that refresh your connection and route you through a healthier server without complicating your setup. First, restart the app. This sounds basic, but it clears temporary glitches, resets background processes, and rebuilds the secure tunnel from scratch. Make sure you fully close it, not just minimize it. On a computer, exit the app completely, and if you see an icon in the system tray or menu bar, quit it from there too so it's not running in the background. On a phone or tablet, swipe it away from the recent apps view to force it closed. Give it a few seconds, then reopen Surfshark. When it loads, try connecting again. This quick refresh often resolves issues like stuck sessions, outdated server handshakes, or minor conflicts that build up after long use. If the connection starts working now, you're good to go. If it still struggles or times out, move on to the next action. Next, change the server. Not all servers are equal at every moment. Some can be temporarily overloaded, under maintenance, or less compatible with certain networks. Switching to a different location gives you a fresh route with better odds of a clean handshake. Open the server list and pick another location. For best stability, choose a nearby country or a city close to you, since shorter distance usually means faster, more reliable connections. If you see options like nearest location or fastest server, those are great choices because they automatically select a balanced endpoint. If one location fails to connect, try another city or country, then attempt to connect again. Once you find one that connects smoothly, you can favorite it so it's easy to use next time. This simple change often bypasses congestion, regional filtering, or temporary blocks affecting a single server. Between a clean restart and a fresh server choice, most connection problems are resolved without changing any settings or reinstalling anything. Keep these two actions in mind whenever Surfshark misbehaves. They're quick, safe, and effective. If you're still having trouble after trying both, there may be a more specific issue at play, and you can look into deeper troubleshooting tailored to your device or network later. But for now, give these two fixes a try and get back online securely.